Located in a very quiet subdivision in Val Caron, a great opportunity for that first-time home buyer. Or are you looking to downsize and love a large outdoor private nature space? This quaint, modern-styled bungalow offers you all you might need, including a workshop and storage. A bright, open-concept main level with updated laminate flooring greets you. A stylish kitchen with a movable center island flows to the open living room or dining area. Gorgeous high-end lighting is a feature of this home. The home is freshly painted and comes with all major appliances. The conveniently located walkout leads to a large deck overlooking that private backyard. Opportunity to create and enjoy outdoor living spaces with this oversized property surrounded by mature trees. 2 nicely sized bedrooms and the main bathroom complete this level. The lower level is the family room, featuring a gas fireplace adding to the cozy space. A roomy 3rd bedroom and a 2nd bathroom finish this area. A walkthrough to a storage area leads to another work area and a garage door entry. The garage is high and spacious, allowing for ample storage without compromising vehicle parking. Shingles were done in 2022. Just move in, this home is ready for you.